Blocked ears can be incredibly frustrating. Everyday conversations become harder to follow, sounds seem distant, and many people describe a constant feeling of pressure inside the ears. In many cases, these symptoms are caused by something surprisingly common: excessive earwax buildup. Today, we're talking about how professional microsuction earwax removal at Hearing First Milton Keynes can help. Earwax is completely natural and actually serves an important purpose. It helps protect the ears from dust, dirt, bacteria, and other particles. Usually, the body clears earwax naturally over time. But sometimes the wax becomes impacted and starts causing symptoms. There are many reasons why earwax may build up. Wearing hearing aids or earbuds regularly can affect the natural movement of wax. One of the first symptoms people notice is muffled hearing. You may feel like sounds are less sharp or conversations are difficult to understand. Some people also experience ringing or buzzing sounds, known as tinnitus. A common mistake is trying to remove the wax at home using cotton buds or improvised tools. Unfortunately, these methods often push the wax deeper into the ear canal instead of removing it. This can worsen the blockage and sometimes lead to irritation or injury. Professional microsuction earwax removal offers a safer solution. At Hearing First Milton Keynes, experienced audiologists use specialist equipment that allows them to carefully see inside the ear canal during treatment. Gentle suction is then used to remove the wax precisely and effectively. Many patients find the procedure quick and comfortable. Once the blockage is removed, hearing often feels clearer immediately. Microsuction is also particularly useful for hearing aid users. Wax buildup can affect hearing aid performance. Regular ear checks and professional cleaning can help hearing aids work at their best. Another benefit of visiting an audiologist is receiving a professional assessment of your ears. Symptoms like hearing loss or tinnitus are not always caused by wax alone. Having the ears examined properly ensures the right care. At Hearing First Milton Keynes, patients receive professional support for earwax removal, hearing care, hearing aid guidance, and ear health concerns in a welcoming clinic environment. If you've been dealing with blocked ears, muffled hearing, or ear discomfort, professional microsuction treatment may help restore comfort and hearing clarity. Thanks for watching this video from Hearing First Milton Keynes. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more hearing care tips and information.